So today's market session was all about confirmations. So every trade you see here was taken with structure, trend, and the moving average logic. So let's break down today's trades. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or just message us on @be support on Telegram. So here you can just check out our first signal was for USD JPY for the put side 5 minutes. You can set your timer to the flag timer 5 minutes. This was a very good win. In this, the price reached a strong resistance zone and the moving average was also there. So this was a confirmation that the moving average also acted as a resistance and the price showed rejection from the zone. So that means this was a trade for the short side. We took this trade for the downside and we won it with an amazing entry at the resistance level. What a win. The next signal was for GBP CHF 5 minutes call. Here you can just check out, this was a very good win. In this trade, the market was in an uptrend and the price was respecting the moving average. This means that the uptrend was strong and the moving average also confirmed the bullish momentum. So this was our trade for the call side. We entered and we won this trade. The next signal was for odd USD 5 minutes call. This was also a very good win. In this, the price was trading above the moving average and the uptrend was strong and the moving average also confirmed the bullish momentum. So we entered a call side here at the moving average and we won this trade for the call side. You can just check out, this was a very good win. The next signal was for GBP USD 5 minutes put. Again, a very good win. In this, there was a good downtrend, plus there was a bearish candle that broke the moving average. This means that sellers were taking control. And this break showed that this will be a short side trade and we got this trade for the put side and we won it with an amazing win. You can check out. So these were our trades for today. Amazing trades. 4 martingale wins. Today, like, it proves something. Profit does not come from over trading. We just take limited trades with good entries and good logics and we won them. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.